Hey, Ahmed, it's Xavier here from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry on the Sonata. As you see, I have one right behind me. This is a beautiful 2018 model. It features our wraparound LED daytime running lights. It's also going to come with premium alloy wheels. This vehicle also will come equipped with tons of our latest safety features like blind spot detection and lane keep assist. Follow me, I'll show you inside. This vehicle is going to feature our ventilated leather with 7-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay as well as Android CarPlay, heated seats, sunroof, but that's not the best part about it. The best part about these Sonatas is going to be the warranty. Our warranty here is going to be 5 years, 60,000 mile bumper to bumper, as well as a 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty exclusively here at Tameron. So if you would, give me a call, 205-886-0890. Gonna love the way you treat it here at Tameron.